There are 3 things your prospect must conclude before they will pay higher prices for your services. Number 1, I can do this. You see, most prospects don't buy because they don't believe they can do it. Especially if you're in coaching, consulting, agency services, or any kind of expertise-based business. It's not that they don't want the outcome. It's not that they don't like you. It's that in the back of their mind, they're thinking, maybe this just won't work for me. Most business owners already tried something before, and your service probably isn't the first thing they bought. They invested in marketing before. They hired people before. They bought courses before. They tried other systems before. So if we ignore their previous experiences and just say, hey, I can help you generate more clients. Hey, I can help you automate your business. Hey, I can help you scale your service business. That's great. You believe you can do it. But your prospects, in their mind, they're thinking, yeah, I've heard that before. I already tried something similar to what this company is offering. What if this doesn't work either? And that's the real problem. They don't go in with confidence, they go in with doubt. I'll say it again. They don't go in with confidence, they go in with doubt. You can write that down. So when you want to price your services higher, you have to address that first. Can your prospects, can they actually see themselves succeeding with this, with your service, with your product? That's the first question. Now, if they can see themselves doing it, the next question becomes, can I do this right now? Do I have the time? Do I have the capacity? Because you see, a lot of people think, I want this. And honestly, I think this could work. But right now just isn't the right time. We're busy with clients. My team is overwhelmed and we already have operational problems that I have to deal with. Or we are restructuring. Whatever it is, whatever the reason for not buying right now, that's your next problem. The point is, I want it, I believe I can do it, but the timing feels wrong. That's the second thing. Number 3, can I do this with the resources I already have? Money, time, energy, motivation. Because somebody can want the outcome, they can believe it works, they can even feel like the timing is right. But then they think, I don't have the money right now. I just don't have the bandwidth. I don't have the energy to implement this. And guess what? If that's their mindset, they will not buy. They're not buying. That's it. Everything else can align. If they think this, they're simply not going to buy. So when you're crafting your offer, you need to think about how you're going to address all of these 3 things. And by the way, notice something important. None of these objections are actually about your service. They're about the prospect, their beliefs, their situation, their state of mind. That's what determines whether somebody feels comfortable paying higher prices or not.